Today I'm going to pick up my new GoPro number 6 Hero Black. I was planning to buy the 5, it's like 295 euros, and the 6 is 455 at the local retailer, and I want to support the small business owners. I could get it 430 euros with free shipping on internet, but I wanna be a better person and buy it on local retailer. But that's after walk, so I need to get to walk before too late again, like you guys know who follow me. And if you see this weather, it's raining. It's just like minus some 5 or 3, and it's supposed to go on plus, and it's supposed to go raining water on evening and tomorrow. So now it snows, then it goes plus and my water, and then minus 5 or something and snows. So it's skeleton weather, skull road. Look at my car. Now the snow is inside my car. Sit! What have I done? I just got off from the walk finally. Yay! The snowing has stopped. Look at this. I still need to learn to use this gimbal better. With my microphone and dead cat on it. It's so heavy. I need to get snow off my car again. It's so annoying. Let's look at my car. It's like half snow and half not. I got off from the walk, and now it's time to go and pick up the GoPro Hero 6 Black and extra battery for it. And I'm going to the city center, town center in Porvoo to get it from this kar-foto, which is like this local small business owner. And I want to support businesses like that and don't go like Giganti or Power, which are these big huge international, I think they're Norwegian companies. Even that it's cheaper or easier to go there, I will go and pay more, like 20 euros or 25, to support the local business. And after getting it, I think my memory cards arrived today to the postal office, so I'm going to pick up them too, and then I can test them. So let's go and get them. GoPro 6. I had like barely half hour left and I needed to pay like 1 hour of parking space because I only have like €1. Oh, it's only actually half hour because it's so expensive to park over here. And I still have Christmas lights on over here. Beautiful though. And here we are. Terve! I don't get hit by the car. Now I have it, GoPro HERO6 and extra battery, yay! And I got the discount, so that's nice. I talked like half hour with the owner, I think. That was nice. Now I need to get home and go to test it. So exciting. Look how I take the time lapse when I'm driving. That's a weird setup. I have this suction cup, but because it's freezing outside, it doesn't hold on the window. So it only works like in summer or if it's warm. So I need to do setups like this. But at least it works, so it's fine. I just remember that I have to go and pick up my memory cards from the post office, which is like this kioski. Because in Finland we don't have any more like post offices. There are always these shopping malls or kioskis or like grocery stores. It's nice actually. They're more open, longer. They are open longer than the traditional postal offices, and it's faster, I think. And you can go shopping too at the same time, so that's nice. Go. Now I have the memory card, the GoPro 6, the extra battery, and this cold pressed ginger, apple and citrus thingy. So now I can go to home. Now that I am back home with my GoPro 6, I think I need to go get the SD cards. So I need to go and pick them up. Somebody's on the door, so who is it? Okay, who are you?
I'm you.
You are me?
You
But
are
I'm
me.
me. You are you.
What are you doing?
I'm now lost. What are you doing here?
I was just going to
Okay.
pick up my SD.
I just came picking up the SD cards, but I guess you have them then.
Okay.
I just think that
Thanks.
I go to the parallel universe or something then.
I think.
Bye.
Bye.